Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Jana in California on this Longhorn by Ranger Superior N6. Jana got it ready to go for you. Got your grill guard right there, all my audio mods, high cut filter right here on the back. Let me show you that real quick. So let's turn this up. Hear all that white noise? Listen to that. So much nicer on the ears. Turn it off. Turn it on. Incredible difference. So that's a great upgrade right there for sure. Let's start with R power all the way down, 500 watt slug. Got you set about 25, that way you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amp. 125 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 audio. 300 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 audio. And about 790 PEP. We'll get your 636 mic thrown in here with it as well. We also wideband modded your SRA 198 mic. So, Jana, you'll have a couple to choose from. I appreciate it. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.